promised to fight for the living. I intend to keep that promise.
Hello everyone, welcome to Ultimate Book Maniacs, your one stop for book and TV series reviews. Game of Thrones trailer is finally here, so without waiting any longer, let's take a look at it. The trailer begins with Arya running in a tunnel. She is either running in a tunnel or she is running in Winterfell. What do you think? If you look at her eyes, her right eye is gone now, and we later see her fighting with her eyes closed. I guess her training as a blind girl will pay off now. Arya says, I know death. He has got many faces. I look forward to seeing this one. When Arya says this line, she hands the dragon glass back to someone. So my guess is she is talking to Jon. When Jon or Bran will tell her about the Night King and his dead army, that's when Arya will say this. After that, Bran says, everything you did brought you here, where you belong, home. My guess is he's talking to Jon because he would be confused about who he is. And I think this is Bran's way of saying that he is a Stark. Then we see Bran and Sam talking, and that's when Bran says these lines to Jon. And then Jon says, they are coming. Our enemy doesn't tire, doesn't stop, doesn't fear. And we see Jon and Dany arrive at Winterfell. Jon and Dany are riding together, and in a later clip, when Sansa looks up, she sees Drogon and Rhaegal fly over Winterfell. We see Dany's army arrive at Winterfell, and in a later clip, we see the Unsullied march through Mole's town to get to Winterfell. Then we see Sir Davos on the battlements. My guess is this is around the time when they are waiting for the army of the dead. We also see Varys, Gilly and little Sam hiding in the crypts. My guess is that's where they will hide the women and children while the others are fighting above ground. We also see Euron's ship and the Golden Army in it. I think this guy who looks like Jaime is their captain. Then we see the captain of the Golden Company in front of Cersei. And then we see Cersei drinking wine and smiling. Maybe he will remind Cersei enough of Jaime that she will think of replacing him, because we later see Cersei smile. Maybe the smile is because she has killed Euron, or maybe it's because she likes the new captain. What do you think? And then we see Tormund, Beric, and someone who looks like Dolorous Edd coming out of a door. It might be Winterfell, but I have a feeling this looks more like King's Landing. What do you think? We later see a shot of King's Landing, and Qyburn tells Cersei something which makes her smile. I wonder if she is smiling at the news of the Golden Company's arrival, or if she is smiling about the attack on Winterfell. What do you think? In a later scene, probably after Bran and Sam tells him the news that he is Rhaegar's son, Jon goes to the crypt, probably to look at Ned or Lyanna's statue, and Dany goes to the crypt to meet him. Maybe that's where he will tell Dany that he is her nephew. And like I have said before, I don't think Dany will have a problem with it. She grew up thinking that she was going to marry Viserys, so Jon is definitely better than that. Jon will also go to the weirwood tree, probably after he visits the crypt or before that. Then we see Gendry at the forge at Winterfell. He will probably take charge of turning the dragon glass into weapons, which Jon has mined from Dragonstone. And then we see the Dothraki, the Unsullied, and Ser Jorah Mormont running out of Winterfell, probably to fight the enemy. We also see Grey Worm and Missandei. Grey Worm kisses Missandei before going to battle. And in a later clip, we see Grey Worm wearing a helm and getting ready to fight. We also see Jamie fighting somewhere and Pod is fighting beside him. And judging from the background, this looks almost exactly like the place where Arya was also fighting. There is yellow glow behind, so there is obviously fire, maybe from Drogon. What do you think? Jamie also says to Jon, or probably Sansa, that I promised to fight for the living. I intend to keep that promise. My guess is he's probably talking to Jon because Jon was there at the Dragon Pit summit. When Jamie is speaking these lines, he is standing in front of Jon. The last time he was here, he was having lunch with Cersei and Tyrion. Then we see Drogon and Rhaegal flying together, and later we see Jon and Dany heading towards them. So my guess is this will be Jon's first flight, and it looks like they have gone beyond the wall. Arya looks up and smiles while the others are running, and as I have discussed in my previous video, it's probably after Jon and Dany fly away, because as we have seen in the previous clip, they will arrive riding on a horse. So it's not about their arrival but their departure. That's when Arya will smile, because she will see her brother riding a dragon. In another clip, we see the hound hiding behind a wall, and as you can see behind that wall, there is a fire. Will he be able to overcome his fear of fire? Because at some point, they will have to fight the Whites, and Drogon will use his fire power. Maybe the hound will overcome his fear of fire. What do you think? We also see Jon running towards something, and we later see more men running toward the gate. What do you think they are running toward? Then we see someone hold a spear. My guess is it's Arya, because Arya is the only one I can see fighting with her spear. What do you think? And did you notice that there are so many bones lying in front of Rhaegal and Drogon? It seems like they are beyond the wall at this time. So maybe Jon and Dany took Rhaegal for hunting? Where do you think they are? It seems like animal bones. So they might have eaten some animals. What do you think? Sansa looks worried when she is looking at something or maybe someone. My guess is it's Dany. It's like Sophie had said, she is beginning to enjoy her leadership role and she will not like that Jon has bent the knee to Dany. Then we see Dany in a chamber and she looks worried. It's probably after the fact that she finds out that Jon is her nephew. Or maybe she is worried about the army of the dead. What do you think? We also see Tyrion looking up, so obviously he is watching the dragons fly. Drogon is breathing fire, and we can see that Brienne and Pod are standing in front of an army and they are waiting for the enemy to attack. And who this enemy will be? The enemy could have been Cersei, but I think it's the Night King, because in the last clip we see a dead horse arriving in front of Winterfell. So the Night King has arrived at Winterfell. So, what do you think of this trailer? And which was your favorite scene from this trailer? Don't forget to tell me in the comments. I'll post the season 8 photo review soon. If you like this video, please click on the like button below, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you in my next video.